फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड आई होप आप लोगों का भी बहुत अच्छा दिन चल रहा हो। एंड गाइस, दिस वीडियो इज लाइक सुपर 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 रिक्वेस्टेड, एंड not only from you guys but from me as well. I really love this slime and I really don't seem to know the recipe of this slime. Like मैं पागल हो गई थी ये रेसिपी ढूंढने के लिए. I've tried to make like iceberg slime but वो वैसे नहीं हुई जैसे मेरे को चाहिए थी वो. बट आई वॉज लाइक सुपर कन्फ्यूज कि हम लोग इसे इतना ज़्यादा फ्लफी और इतना सॉफ्ट कैसे बनाएंगे. देन आई टॉक टू माई सम ऑफ माई इंस्टाग्राम स्लाइमर्स, like so they helped me so much. I finally knew the recipe of this slime, and this is actually called as soft iceberg slime or something like that, and it is super easy guys. There is only 3 ingredients and we all can make it. Like trust me, anyone can make it. And yeah, if you guys follow my recipe, I will assure you guys कि आपकी ये वाली slime 100% बनेगी. So yeah guys, इसी बात पे प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिए, एंड इफ यू गाइज आर नॉट सब्सक्राइब देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब फैंटास्टिक फरहाना. वी नीड टू रीच 30K soon, so please subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already, and subscribe to my second channel as well, Fantastic Diaries. So yeah, and if you guys want to talk to me, you can message me on my Instagram, Farhana Nusrat and Fantastic Farhana. So yeah guys, that's all for the intro, and let's get started with the making of this recipe. So Fantastics, for the recipe we first need a bowl, and the first ingredient is not glue, surprisingly. The first ingredient is shaving foam, and now we are going to open our shaving foam, and then we will add a lot of shaving foam into the bowl. So Fantastics, we need almost full small bottle of shaving foam. This is like pretty empty. This is not even having anything left. Like that's all it's left. Like it's pretty empty. So almost one full small shaving foam bottle, and like this much is required, and very little amount of Fevicol, like as I am showing. So just add that much. We don't need a lot of Fevicol in here. Like literally just little bit of Fevicol so that we can cover the upper surface, just that much, and that's all. It's all guys, we don't need any more. And the color is optional. If you want, you can add it. I really want to add this beautiful rusty shade, like metallic pearly rusty shade. So I'm going to add it into my slime, like a little bit, not a lot, like that much. And now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together, so enjoy. So I am going to also add this poster orangey red shade. So yeah, let's add. So let's take this much and let's add it into our slime, I guess. Wow, this looks kind of beautiful. Now let's mix. as you guys can see, our mixture is super fluffy and super nice. So now we are going to activate our slime here. So you guys can use any kind of activator. I will give you a link to all of my activator playlist, so you guys can check out. And like, you guys can use any kind of activator here using Borax, so it will be easy and it will have less errors. So yeah, and I'm going to link all the products I'm using in this video down in the description, so you guys can buy from that as well if you guys don't have these products. So yeah, let's mix. Let's add a little bit of activator at a time. As you guys can see, this does activate super fast. So as you guys can see, our slime is ready. So now we are going to keep it in a container and to have a little bit of color contrast. And इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ लाने के लिए we are going to take a thick slime beneath. As you guys can see, this is my thick slime. So if you guys haven't seen the recipe of my thick slime yet, it is in the I button here, so you guys can check out how to make the slime. This is like very nice thick slime, as you guys can see. Oh my god, this is super nice. So we are going to place it in the bottom like this, something like this. Here it is like this. And now we are going to pour our super fluffy iceberg slime on the top. Like, we are also going to have two color slimes in here. So let's just pour. As you guys can see, oh my god, this looks amazing. So fantastic. As you guys can see, our slime is ready and this is looking so beautiful actually. And here is our slime. So like, yes, I'm going to show you guys the slime, so enjoy. So fantastic. As you guys can see, this is super easy to make, and like we have a lot of slime left, और जो part सूख जाता है ऊपर वो भी अच्छी तरह slime में mix हो जाता है. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. As you guys can see, yeah, so if you guys want another tutorial like this, so आप लोग comments में बोल सकते हैं आपको कौन सी slime सीखनी है, then I will try and find that recipe और मैं वो आपके लिए बनाऊंगी. So yeah, just comment down below which slime you guys want me to make next. And yeah guys, that's all. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel as well as Fantastic Diaries, क्योंकि इसका पूरा ASMR वहीं पे होगा. So yeah, fantastic. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.